What's up, guys? I want to show you one of my favorite products. This is our massive, we say it like that too, we say massive, we don't say massive. So if you order it, I want you to say, Johnny, some massive. Anyway, what we did is we took our most popular product, and that's our SSD, and we supersized it for you. So our regular rolls, they're 20 inches by 79, cover 11 square feet. This roll is 30 by 236, and you get 49.5 square feet. The reason why this is developed and what we use it for is up in Alaska where we're at, we do a lot of trucks and we do a lot of Sprinter vans and stuff. And my guys, they got tired of, you know, putting a seam in the door when you're making your plate. So what we said is like, we need something bigger. So we looked at a lot of the Tundras and Rams and, like I said, big Sprinter vans and stuff. And we just did a supersized sheet, which is great for shop packs and things like that. So if you want something bigger that you can lay out in one shot, like if you're doing a whole roof panel, doing a whole floorboard, man, Massive's the way to go. It has a lot of material and it gives you a lot of coverage in one shot.